Hello everyone, a very good evening to all of you. Welcome to the Officer Adda 24/7, the special session of the BRBL subject in which myself, Advocate Nikkita Singh, going to tell you the key takeaway from the CIB exam December 2024. But first of all, in this session also, we have just make a great result in the BRBL subject, but few students have not cracked the BRBL paper. So what is the reason behind it? So today in this session, I'm just going to tell you. Okay, because this subject is not as equal to the BFM, ABFM or AFM. Okay, so that's why I'm just going to tell you that what this subject is and what you are going to study in this subject. Okay, so if I talk about the BRBL subject, so BRBL subject is basically the acts. How many acts? 25 acts that we have to cover in this subject. So act is basically which is made by Parliament. Okay, and this Parliament include, that is, Lok Sabha plus Rajya Sabha plus when President will sign. So then any act come into picture. So we know that we have a central government also and we have a state government also. So central government also make law and the state government also make law. Okay, but in BRBL subject the 25 act is basically made by the Parliament. So we have to study basically the central law. Is that okay? So now in this BRBL subject, okay, if we see, whenever student think we have to study the act, so what is the first picture that come in their mind is we have to learn so many section, we have to learn so many cases, we have to learn so many illustration, because in every law book, in every act, you have a sections, you have a case, you have a illustrations. So in BRBL also, we have to study section, we have to study cases, we have to study illustrations. Is that okay? So this subject as comparison to the other subject is little bit easy because this subject is totally theoretical. Okay, it's a theoretical subject, so no numerical question is there. You will get the theoretical subject. Okay, this is a totally theoretical subject. So we'll get section, cases, illustration, etc. So in the BRBL question, the types of question that is asked in the exam, basically, okay, I'm not telling in only one session, but in every session, I'm just saying that they're asking a interpretation question. What is interpretation question? Interpretation question in which you have to analyze the question and then you have to give the answer. Okay, then section based question, 3 to 4 question always. So interpretation question 40 to 50 question this. Section based question basically I can say 3 to 4 question section based. Then we have a case studies question. So case studies question 10 to 15 question they ask case studies question. Then paragraph based question is 2 to 3 question paragraph based question. Okay, and then we have a full forms. Sometimes they just ask the full form. Okay, sometimes they just ask the act of the year. So you have a 25 act, so you have to learn the 25 act year also. And then we have a full form, year, paragraph, case studies question, section based question, interpretation question. So these are the, I can say, the pattern of question that they ask in the BRBL exam. And don't think that the pattern that they follow in the BRBL that is similar to all compulsory subject. No, because in all compulsory subject they have a different way of asking question. Is that okay? So you have to learn these things very, very well. Interpretation question, section based, case studies, paragraph, full form, year, etc. So do not forget to just put this thing in your mind. Truly speaking class, because sometime in BFM subject you will got 47, 48, 49. Okay. So if you want that you have to clear this paper in a single and a first attempt. So this is an elective paper, is the only two paper in which you can score 60 plus marks. So you can clear this CIB exam in a single and a first attempt, but before you have to just put these things in your mind that yes, this is called a BRBL subject and we have to go through these questions. Okay, and right now without option question also they ask. Okay, without option, because no options will be there, and this is 8 to 10 question. Year 1 to 2 question. Full form 1 to 2 question. Paragraph 2 to 3 question. Okay, so this is all about the types of question that they ask. So class, please put this thing in your mind and be ready. If you have cracked this paper, congratulations. If you have not cracked this paper and your exam is on June and July 2025, so please keep this thing in your mind, because this session is basically key takeaway from this paper. So this is the way. And the same pattern they are following since when the CIB exam syllabus got changed. Is that okay? And this paper also contain the 4 module. Okay, this BRBL paper contain the 4 module, and if I say you module A, B, C, D, so please focus on C and D because it contain total 70% marks and AB contain total 30% marks. But I will not say that you have to skip A and B. 1 month I will take in C and D. Okay, 1 month. And few days, I think 10 to 15 days I will take for A and B. So by this thing you can easily understand that okay, we have to focus on C and D. Okay, so 70 plus marks you can easily gain by just achieving C, and because C and D contain total 19 acts. What I'm saying, total 25 act is there, so 19. Okay, and 6 acts here. So you can easily analyze that which subject we have to focus. Is that okay? So candidates, so this is your new batch, that is Lakshya batch, which is going to start from 18th of December. So do not forget to enroll in this Lakshya batch. And in the first, we have just increment pro batch is also there. Okay, so if you want to enroll in the Lakshya batch, you can also purchase a separate BRBL subject, and you also have a, so what you have to do, just Google Chrome. Okay, click on this Adda 24/7 all courses JIB CIB June 2025, and we all have this batch. ठीक है, ये सारे हम लोग के बैच हैं. ओके, सो ये लक्ष्य बैच है. बाय नाउ पे परचेज करिए, Y391 पे अप्लाई पे क्लिक करिए, 80% का डिस्काउंट है. 1% और डिस्काउंट चाहिए तो आप लोग इसको सिंपली अपने अड्डा ऐप पे मोबाइल पे डाउनलोड करके अड्डा ऐप के थ्रू भी परचेज कर सकते हैं. वहाँ यूज कॉइन्स पे क्लिक करना है आपको. थैंक यू सो मच.